What if I told you that your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is hiding features that most owners will never discover? I'm not talking about basic fitness tracking, checking notifications, or changing watch faces. I'm talking about powerful hidden tools buried deep inside the watch. Features that can make your workouts smarter, your battery last longer, your health tracking more accurate, and your overall experience completely different. The crazy part, some of these features have been available since day one, but Samsung barely talks about them. Most users spend hundreds of dollars on this watch and never unlock its true potential. Today, we're revealing 10 hidden Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 features that could completely change how you use your smartwatch. Make sure you stay until the end because the final hidden feature might be the most useful one of all. Let's get started. The first hidden feature is something many people accidentally activate without realizing how powerful it actually is. It's called the Quick Button Customization. Most users think the orange Quick button is only for workouts, but that's only scratching the surface. You can actually program this button to launch specific apps, start emergency functions, open navigation, activate voice recordings, launch timers, or instantly begin your favorite workout mode. Imagine you're running and suddenly need directions. One press. Need to record an important thought. One press. Need emergency access during a dangerous situation. One press. This tiny button can become your personal shortcut machine. To customize it, head into Settings and explore the button controls. Once you set it up correctly, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And surprisingly, most Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 owners never touch this setting. Now let's move to hidden feature number 2, double pinch gestures. This feature feels like something from the future. Instead of touching the screen, you can control your watch by simply pinching your fingers together twice. Sounds simple, right? But imagine your hands are wet. Imagine you're carrying groceries. Imagine you're exercising. Imagine you're wearing gloves. Suddenly, this feature becomes incredibly useful. You can answer calls, dismiss alarms, control media playback, stop timers, and perform other actions without touching the display. It feels like magic the first time you use it. Samsung doesn't advertise this feature enough, yet it can completely change the way you interact with your smartwatch every day. Hidden feature number 3 might actually save your life. The emergency siren. Most people don't even know their watch includes this. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 can activate a loud emergency siren designed to attract attention during dangerous situations. Think about hiking. Think about getting lost. Think about needing immediate help. The siren is surprisingly loud for a smartwatch and can help people locate you much faster. You hope you'll never need it, but if that moment ever comes, you'll be glad you knew this feature existed. This is one of those features that takes 2 minutes to learn but could become incredibly important someday. Now here's a feature that athletes absolutely love: automatic workout detection. Most people manually start workouts every single time, but your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is actually smart enough to detect many activities automatically: walking, running, cycling, elliptical workouts, and several others. The watch quietly monitors your movement patterns and can start tracking for you. Imagine forgetting to begin a workout and still getting accurate data. That's exactly what this feature does. It ensures fewer missed workouts and more complete health statistics. For active users, this hidden feature can be a game changer. Let's talk about something every smartwatch owner cares about: battery life. And hidden feature number 5 can dramatically improve it: adaptive power management. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 constantly learns your habits. It studies which apps you use, which apps you ignore, when you exercise, when you sleep, when you check notifications. Then it intelligently adjusts power usage behind the scenes. The result? Longer battery life without sacrificing important functionality. Many users complain about battery performance while never enabling the settings designed to optimize it. A few minutes spent adjusting power settings can sometimes add significant extra usage time. And honestly, that's something every smartwatch owner wants. Now we're entering the features that many reviewers don't even mention. Hidden feature number 6 is advanced sleep coaching. Most people think sleep tracking only measures how long they sleep. But the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 goes much deeper. It analyzes sleep stages, sleep consistency, movement patterns, recovery quality, and long-term sleeping habits. For a time, the watch creates personalized coaching recommendations. Instead of simply showing data, it helps improve your sleep quality. And better sleep impacts literally everything: energy, focus, fitness, recovery, mood. This hidden feature turns your watch into a personal sleep coach that's working every single night. Feature number 7 is one of my personal favorites: custom watch face complications. Most users change watch faces. Very few truly customize them. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 allows you to build information-rich watch faces tailored to your lifestyle: weather, battery percentage, heart rate, compass, calendar events, steps, sunrise and sunset times, workout shortcuts, and much more. The hidden secret isn't changing the watch face. The secret is creating a watch face designed specifically for your daily routine. When done correctly, almost everything you need becomes visible at a glance. No app opening, no scrolling, no wasted time. Just information exactly where you need it. Let's move to feature number 8, offline GPS adventures. This feature is incredible for travelers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Many users assume navigation requires a phone connection. Not always. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 supports advanced GPS capabilities that allow you to track routes and navigate in situations where phone access may be limited. For outdoor adventures, this can become one of the most valuable tools on your wrist. Imagine exploring a new area. Imagine hiking remote trails. Imagine cycling unfamiliar roads. Having navigation available directly on your watch can provide an extra layer of confidence and convenience. And surprisingly, many owners never explore these navigation features. Feature number 9 is hidden deep within health monitoring: heart rate zone training. Most people only look at calories burned, but serious fitness enthusiasts focus on heart rate zones. Your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 can help you understand exactly how hard you're working during exercise: fat burning zones, cardio zones, peak performance zones, recovery zones. This information helps make workouts more effective and efficient. Instead of guessing intensity levels, you're training based on real biometric data. Whether your goal is weight loss, endurance, or overall fitness, understanding heart rate zones can make a massive difference. And your watch is already capable of providing that information. Now it's time for the final feature. And honestly, this might be the most underrated feature on the entire watch. Feature number 10, water lock mode. At first glance, it sounds boring, but stay with me. Whenever you're swimming, showering, or exposing the watch to water, water lock mode helps prevent accidental touches on the display. Once finished, the watch uses sound vibrations to help remove water from the speaker area. It's a simple feature, but it protects the experience and improves functionality after water exposure. Many users own a premium smartwatch designed for adventure and never activate one of its most practical features. Sometimes the smallest features are the ones that make the biggest difference. So there you have it, 10 hidden Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 features that Samsung rarely talks about, but every owner should know. From quick button shortcuts and double pinch gestures to emergency sirens, advanced sleep coaching, GPS navigation, and water lock mode. These hidden tools can completely transform your smartwatch experience. Now I wanted to know which feature surprised you the most. Was it the emergency siren, the double pinch controls, or the hidden battery-saving tricks? Let me know down in the comments. And if you discovered something new today, make sure to subscribe because we cover the latest Samsung leaks, hidden features, tips, tricks, comparisons, and upcoming devices before everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.